In a late-night development, the centre has appealed to the Supreme Court to stop a tractor rally of protesting farmers scheduled for January 26th, the Republic Day. The farmers have planned to hold a huge rally in Delhi on January 26th if their demands to scrap the contentious farm laws are not accepted. Haryana farmers plan to hold a rally too, with one tractor from each village joining in. The farmers had said they were expecting at least 20,000 tractors. In an affidavit filed in court, the centre said that obstruction in the functions around the Republic Day ceremony would not just be a law and order problem, but also a huge embarrassment for the nation. To quote, the centre has told the top court that a tractor rally on Republic Day will damage pride of the nation. We have our colleague Vedya joining us from the ground. The centre has told the court that the farm laws were not hurriedly made, but were the result of 2 decades of deliberations. Vedya sir, what's the latest?
See, the latest is we'll have to wait for the interim order, because yesterday Chief Justice indicated that he would stay the 3 controversial farm laws. And he said that if the government doesn't hold on its own, then court will have to stay. So today there are 2-3 issues the court would be passing an order. Number 1, on staying the 3 farm laws. Second, on appointing an expert panel which will go into the negotiations, facilitate the negotiations between the government as well as the farmers' unions. And thirdly, importantly, which you rightly said, that the government has also moved an application saying that right to protest is right, but at the same time it can't destroy the pride of the nation. They wanted the tractor rally to be stopped or restrained. So all these issues the court will have to decide today, and Chief Justice bench would be doing that. And interestingly, the centre which filed an affidavit after yesterday's court hearing also answered all the queries raised by the Chief Justice bench, which said that it's not hurriedly the 3 laws were enacted by the Parliament. It was a deliberation of the 2 decades, and farmers' unions were consulted. And the affidavit also gives so far how the talks between the farmers' union as well as the government went on date-wise. Now we'll have to wait for the Chief Justice bench what decision it will be delivering.
All right, we have Akshay joining us live from the Singhu border as well with the ground report. Akshay, the government said it has done its best to engage with farmers to remove any misapprehensions and misgivings in the minds of farmers. Is this the atmosphere at the border? Is it echoing the same?
Well, right now we're at the Singhu border, and the farmers at the Delhi borders have been protesting for 48 days now. That's more than a month and a half. And right now the temperature is somewhere around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius here. But it's very, very cold out here on the open. The farmers still continuously are protesting against the farm laws. Yesterday, we saw a lot of developments in the Supreme Court where the lawyers were arguing that the tractor rally will be peaceful, and the Supreme Court noted and asked the government to put aside the implementation of the farm laws, the new farm laws, till the time a matter is sorted, and also suggested that a committee of experts be formed. But what exactly is the opinion of the farm union leaders, the farmers? We'll speak to Mr. Satnam Singh Pannu, who's here with us from Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee. Satnam ji, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आपने सारी हियरिंग को आपने फॉलो किया होगा कल, आप लोगों का क्या मत है उस पूरे मुद्दे के ऊपर?
हाँ, जो कल 11 जनवरी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो सुनवाई हुई है तीनों खेती कानूनों पर, उस पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि एक कमेटी बना दो, रिटायर्ड जज की, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के रिटायर्ड जज की कमेटी बना दी जाए इसके हल के लिए, और जितना चेर उसका हल नहीं निकलता उतना चेर खेती कानूनों को लागू करने में स्टे कर दिया जाए। उस पर जो किसान मजदूर संघर्ष कमेटी पंजाब ने अपनी मीटिंग लाई है, उस पर जो साडा व्यू है, साडी राय है, वो असी ना मंजूर करती है। इसको जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जो ये तजवीज़ है, ये सानू ना मंजूर है, ये असी रद्द करते हैं, क्योंकि ये नाल इसके साथ जो है एक लमकाल गल बन जाएगी, लमकाल ही स्थिति बनेगी, और जो है इसके साथ जो है अपना तार पीडो संघर्ष नूं करन दी गल है, ते कानूनी दाव पेचों फसाने की गल है। इस करके असी इस नूं ना मंजूर करते हैं। नाल असी ये गल करते हैं जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दूसरी टिप्पणी की है केंद्र सरकार पर, भी वो हैंडल करने में किसान आंदोलन को नाकामयाब हुई है केंद्र सरकार पूरी तरह, उस पर जो इतनी सख्त टिप्पणी है, इनकी तल्ख टिप्पणी है, उसको देखते हुए प्रधानमंत्री अपने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और किसानों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए देशवासियों से।
So the farmers have very strong opinion. They're clearly stating that they do not agree to go for any kind of proceedings that may be in front of the committee set up by the experts, by Supreme Court in fact, and they are saying that nothing less than nothing short of repeal of the farm laws will be acceptable to the farmers.